Hello from Lordhair. Today I'm here to talk to you about the Champion Afro men's hair wig. This wig comes with a full French lace base and 100% natural human hair. It is undetectable, breathable and soft. Let's have a look at the base of the Champion Afro. As we can see, it's a full French lace base. This means it is comfortable, breathable and soft. The small holes let air escape easily, so it's ideal if you live in hot and humid climates and conditions, or if you exercise regularly. Now let's have a look at the top of the hair system. The hair length is 6 inches and has a 4mm curl, making it very realistic. It comes in a medium light to medium density for a flawless finished natural look, and 2 colours, 1 and 1B, which are very popular choices amongst hair system wearers. The Champion Afro comes in our standard base size of 8 by 10 inches, but we offer a professional base and hair cutting service, so your system is ready to be worn as soon as it arrives. As with all of our stock men's hair systems, this comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and immediate delivery, so this could be with you in as little as 5 working days. If you like what you see and want to find out more, then please feel free to visit our website at www.lordhair.com or email us at support@lordhair.com. Alternatively, you can telephone us at +86 532 8082 8255.